People's Republic of China, His Excellency Xi Jinping.
We were last night in the wonderful, impressive stadium in Hangzhou, and the ceremony was marvelous. It was a combination of beauty. It was streamlined. It was not noisy. And it goes with times. It was artistic, and it was really very nice to see that such a beautiful thing can be done. I think it was the perfect first step of these extraordinary games. And you will see that this 19th edition in Asian Games in Chinese soil will be very successful. You people organize these things and you make it look like nothing. And we know how difficult it is. So always impressed with the organization capacity of our Chinese friends. Many other countries would have had doubts. Beijing never had doubts. They went forward and they did it. So it was a big effort that helped the Olympic movement like you cannot imagine. We are here strong thanks to you being able to produce these Olympic Games. And we are looking forward to many more things together.